loans company. Perhaps you work for a loans company, or maybe you're looking to start your own one. Hopefully this will give you a bit of insight. Ultimately, the loans industry is big business, with Payday, Guarantor, Logbook, peer-to-peer worth over £4 billion in the UK. It certainly is a thriving area. You can start by deciding what type of loan you want to offer. You can look at creating a storefront if you want to be on the high street, or a website, which is certainly more popular. You can start by creating a front end which you brand, including your brand name and what you offer, and then you must have a more sophisticated back end, so that you can process the loans and store the data and organize the data accordingly. You need to figure out what your USP is, your unique selling points. Will you have a very competitive APR? Will you provide short-term, long-term? Is the last month of repayment free? Are you going to offer good credit, bad credit? Having this USP will make you stand out from the rest of the other lenders in your industry, and it will actually give you an idea of your market size. You can then consider how many people are looking for long-term loans, how many people are looking for bad credit loans, and then you can actually start planning just based on that. The branding is very important. Typically with finance, you want to give people this reassurance and this feeling of ease, and this means using nice bright colors or warm colors. Blue is very popular. Good names such as Ocean Finance, Fair Finance, Sunny Loans are very relaxing, and people will also take them seriously rather than funny names like Kabanga or whatever. You'll typically need some customer support in your loan company, whether it's having people just answering inquiries or processing loans, or giving feedback to customers. Whenever a loan is made, you will require underwriters. These are people who actually decide whether or not to approve the loan. They're typically very good at understanding risk and analysis, and they'll take all the applicant's information and make an informed decision based on your own criteria. Having a collections team is very important, because these are the people that have to follow up payments. So if someone doesn't repay their loan, or you need to follow up them, or a guarantor, you need a collections team that will follow the procedures of responsible lending and treating customers fairly, and just try collect as much money that is owed to you as possible. You will need legals in place, such as having a proper license, authorization to offer loans in the UK. There are indeed governing bodies associated with this. So hopefully this gives you an insight into how to start your own lender.